Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to play infection and double mode in Mecha Chameleon. So if you want to try different game modes instead of normal hide and seek, just follow along. First, create or join a lobby in Mecha Chameleon. Next, the host needs to select the game mode before starting the match. For infection mode, choose the increasing seekers mode. In this mode, the round starts with hiders and seekers as normal. When a seeker finds and tags a hider, that player joins the seeker team instead of being eliminated. As more hiders are found, the seeker teams keep growing, making it harder for the remaining hiders to survive. And the goal for hiders is to stay hidden until the timer ends, while seekers need to find and convert everyone. For double mode, everyone gets to play both roles. First, all player becomes hiders. Use the preparation time to paint your characters, choose a hiding spot, and blend into the environment. And after the hiding phase ends, everyone switches to seeker role. Now your goal is to find other players as quickly as possible. And the player who performs best during both hiding and searching phases wins the round. For better results in both modes, learn the maps, use good painting combination, and pay attention to shapes and objects that look out of place. So that was how to play infection and double mode in Mecha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.